Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabriella and welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down, and subscribe guys so you don't miss any of my videos, and also it helps me grow my channel. Today we're going to be doing a silk sleek ponytail, and I got this ponytail off Amazon. I'll put it up here so you guys can know exactly which one I got. They have all different colors guys. Obviously I got red because my hair is red, so I just wanted it to blend in easily guys. I got 2 packs, but honestly I just went in with one because it's pretty full, and since I let my other my hair out, it just made it fuller, so I don't think we need it. So if you guys want to see it, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Okay, so jumping straight into voiceover, today we're going to be using 2 hair packs. You need a hair comb, you're going to need a brown brush or any brush in particular, some hair ties, and your hairspray. Mine's preference is a got to be glue one, so this was the one we're going to go with. So one thing that you do want to be sure of is that your hair is completely untangled, just so when we're going to go ahead and set our hair down so we can lay it down with our hairspray, there's no lumps that would get in the way for our hair to looking very sleek guys, because this is why we need to make sure that it's completely laid down. And here where you need to decide where exactly you want the part. I always love doing a left side part. I feel like that's my best side. And why am I doing that faces? Like, I look funny. Anyways, but go ahead and section out that part guys as much as possible, just so that you can make sure that there's no knots. Because I know, like, even though we untangled it, but as soon as you make another part, your hair gets tangled. I don't know if that only happens to me, but it literally happens to me all the time. And here I am just making sure that I have no bumps, so we can go ahead and start using our hairspray. So go ahead and grab it, and I like to section and only spray the part that I'm actually going to be spraying down first. So like in this case, I only sprayed it just in that part, just because I don't want to spray it on both sides and then it dries quickly and then it doesn't dry as flat, if that makes sense. Depending exactly how is it that you brush your hair, you're going to know exactly where you need to rebrush, reapply more hairspray guys, because knowing that I wanted my hair to be sleeked down, I know that I had to reapply more hairspray, and this is why I'm going in now with the flat brush, just because it grabs more of the hair fossils and it's much easier to maneuver. So here we're going to start already with the section part guys. I like to start from the front to the back and work my way all the way to the back. I feel like this would get the best results guys, from the front to back. And let's just start with that section and then we'll finish the back. Okay, so here you see, since I do have bangs, so it makes it a little bit difficult, so I have to make sure that I apply a lot of hairspray on that front end to make sure it just stays down completely. So here we are working our way to the back. You see that we didn't apply it in the beginning just because it would dry, and then we were going to reapply to make it sticky. Now grab your hair ties guys. Here's where we're going to start tying our hair for our ponytail, and here's where you can also fix up any errors that you feel like, any bumps. Here's where you'll decide to fix it. To get off more of the bumps, you would like to use a hair comb. I think it's best just because it has that wide teeth that you'll need, just so it can grab and pull the hair down and make it look more flatter. So here it looks really good guys, and I'm trying to fill up the back since I don't have a mirror towards the back of me, and it's looking good. Like, we are rocking this. Like, tell me this ain't don't look good already. And like I was telling you guys, my bangs are short, so this is why I applied more hairspray onto that corner. And working our way, I was thinking of maybe adding a couple of little curls coming out of the side, but then I thought it might look messy, so no, just because we're going to do our edges and making it look bomb. Here we're applying more hairspray towards the back, just so that our hair can look good and flat, because that's what we're looking for. Okay, now that our hair is completely tied, I use both ties. Here I'm double checking if there anywhere else that I need to add hairspray, and I needed to add a little bit more just into this corner, just because when I did tie it up in the back, my hair is kind of got loose. So here's where you want to check if there's any place that you need to just fix up. Here's where you'll do so. And here we are, we're fixing the front and making sure that everything is laid as we want, and The doing it with the comb is a little bit easier because the hairs won't tend to like separate as much as with the brush. This is just a little trick that I have been learning, and I am applying more hairspray to where my bangs are at, just so they don't decide to pop up, because I don't like adding bobby pins to the back of my ears because it does bother my ears. And here I was telling you guys that I was trying to add a curl to my hair, and I was having such a hard time because I already had added the hairspray that my hair didn't want it to curl. This is how strong this hairspray is, guys. So here's us attempting. You guys don't have to actually do this part. I think it actually would look very, very pretty with the part out. I really don't remember now if I actually left it out. We'll see again. But I think it looks super cute with the little hairs coming out from the front of the ear. It's just a pretty look, guys, and simple. So now you want to go ahead and grab your gel and your edge brush, guys. You don't really need an edge brush, but now you see I brought you guys in so you guys can see me work my edges. You want to add some gel to the flat end of the brush, not where the little comb is at, because here we're going to go ahead and decide exactly where we're going to apply our edges. And here I have space to do 3 parts edges, and now it's when you'll grab the end of the comb and actually like create like a part, so it can kind of like separate from the top one, so it can look really clean. You see how it's turning out? This is what I mean. So sorry for the faces, guys. I don't know what I was doing there. Like, I look crazy. But anyways, we're gonna get right back into it. We're adding more of the gel, and we're bringing up the hair down. You see how you kind of like hold up the top one just so it moves, and add hairspray, guys. Like, I literally learned this when I did apply a wig one time, which I didn't get to show you guys because I lost the footage. But I learned this from one of the YouTubers that I watch, and I forgot her name, so I can't give her credit. But she literally laid down to her edges after she puts gel with hairspray, because she says it sets them into place and it doesn't move. So here I am trying again with the curls. Hopefully this time it actually stays in place and it doesn't move. But my edges looking laid. Like, what's up, sis? Like, do you see this? Like, we looking fleeky already. Okay, so I actually did something here that I ended up taking off at the end. So please ignore, do not create a braid if your hair matches the wig color and if your hair is straight. In the case that your hair isn't straight or is curly, then you would have to buy a wrap that I forgot to completely buy off Amazon. But since my hair was red, and it is red, I didn't really have to like cover up my hair. So I had to actually take it off because the braid just made the process of the hair tie look ridiculous. And you guys see now once towards we get to the end where I ended up taking off the braid because I was like, yeah, there's no way. So now we're grabbing our hair pack, guys. I actually just went with one because it was pretty full, but if you do want more definition and more volume, I'll definitely go ahead and use both. But look how pretty, guys, this wig. Sorry guys, I was interrupted by a call, but we are back and we're gonna continue. It actually has a clip on the back so you can actually insert it. Here it is, guys. Sorry you guys can't really see it, but here you go. And it also has like a Velcro taping that you can actually tape up to the round of the wig. It gets pretty secure. The only thing is, if you are going to be like going to a party or any occasion, I would definitely add some bobby pins just for safety reasons and to make sure your wig stays in place and nobody accidentally snatches it. So here we are. I'm going to turn around for you guys because I have a mirror actually to my right, so you guys can kind of see how the wig process it's going to apply. And here is where I knew something was wrong. This happens when you tighten up your hair tie and kaboom, it just loosened it up. But it's okay. It's okay. It still looks good from the front, so that's all that matters. Here's where you're going to try to insert the pin part into your scalp, like not obviously into your scalp, but like where your hair tie and your hair tie ends into your hair, so it's like literally the perfect setting. And you're just gonna want to wrap the Velcro around the hair. Okay, and here we're going with another set of hair tie, trying to tie it in just because I didn't have any bobby pins to match. And honestly, I wasn't just going to wear this wig for the whole entire day, so it really didn't matter. But if you are, guys, like I said, you guys will definitely want to use some hair ties, extra hair ties, maybe a little bit thicker ones, and bobby pins just to secure it and make sure it's not going anywhere and it stays on your head. But look, guys, it looks so good and flawless. Like, I love this wig. Like, I know it's off my color of my hair a little bit, but it actually looks so good that I'm like, I love it. I literally put my sister onto it and I told her, girl, you need to go get it. Look, I'm already feeling myself like, girl, who is this? Like, what's up? This is so good, guys. Especially, you see what I mean about the braid? You're gonna see when I end up taking it off, because I couldn't stand how weird it looks. Like, I don't know why did I even put a braid in my hair in the first place. So here I am, just trying to make sure that it's not going anywhere and it's staying in the back of my head. So let's keep watching, guys. Okay, guys, so this was the end of the video. If you liked it, please leave it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, guys, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. And let me know in the description box below exactly what other videos you guys would like to see, and I'll be more than happy to do it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.